What's up guys, this is Santa Streets and today I'm gonna talk about OPPO Reno 4 SE, so watch till the end. The reports from Vivo claims that a new device called OPPO Reno 4 is on the way. The Leakstar claims that the Reno 4 SE will be having a Dimensity 800 chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. And they also says that this is gonna have a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED panel by Samsung, and this comes with a Super 90Hz refresh rate and a punch hole for 32MP selfie camera. Cameras on the back will have the 48MP Sony IMX6 sensor for the main shooter, plus a 8MP ultra wide camera, a 5MP macro, and a 2MP depth sensor. The battery is going to be 4300 mAh and the charger is going to be 65W fast charger, so this could charge the device in no time. All this body will be just 7.8mm thin.